Are we out here at the Greenville NC CSX Yard? We got CSX doing some switching. In the morning, they about to get a third locomotive before they head out to Rocky Mount. We got that CW44AC right there in the front. It's about to switch. And they got a third locomotive on that siding right there that they're about to get before they leave. We got some switching action going on early in the morning. All right, we out here at the Greenville, North Carolina CSX Yard. We got CSX L235 about to leave in the morning around 10 a.m. We got an ET44AH in the front, ES40DC, and then a CW44AC. We got 3 locomotives on this train, and they about to leave here in the morning, like I said, around 10 a.m. So yeah, them locals on too. Them locals about to leave. So yeah, we got it coming soon. Stay tuned. All right, they on the move. Here we go. Conductor just boarded them GP40-2s. Well, one of them's a GP39-2, but anyway, we got the big train about to come in. About to leave for Rocky Mount. 3 locomotives on it. Here it comes. First one out of Greenville I seen with 3 locomotives on it. Here it comes. On the Towboro sub. Locomotives on it. CW44AC. And there we go. Leaving the yard. Four cars with all wood. Look at that. Look at all that wood. We got some loaded hoppers. Oh yeah, she on the move. We got those tankers. There we go. I think the locals done left the yard already. Oh, there they go. They're still there. All right, there you go. Off to Rocky Mount with the blinker on. with an empty yard now. Look at that. Big train took all the freight they had. Here the big train go. That's a look at the yard. Got a few cars left in there. And them locals about to leave soon, so. Nice. All right, nice catch. CSX L235 in the morning. And there go that local train leaving. We got an empty yard here. Three locomotives on it. And we got the local pushing through the yard. All right.